Yo, today I'm going to be showing you the workflow which allowed me to build a full-on web app in 5 hours. You could do that in even less. I'm going to show you the specific tools. This is basically a follow-up from the video where I said that you should be using AI, but I didn't go into the details. So today, as a software developer, you're going to be able to really know what to use. So let's get right into it. All right, so firstly, I'm actually going to show the web app itself. So nice little sign-in page. Let's just add the email, password, and sign in. What is it? This is just a simple travel logbook, which my mom, she really likes to keep track of her travels. So I just made it. And it's pretty cool in my opinion. We've got a travel map, which you can just scroll in, scroll out, and it will tell you the countries you've been to, the cities you've been to, based on the entries that you added. So you can add any entry, country, city. You can search them by name. For example, if I want to say Barcelona, I'm going to get that right there. And yeah, you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. Add places, add pictures, even share it with a link to other people. So yeah, that's the beauty of development nowadays. I did this in literally 5 hours. So what did I use? What did I use? How did I do it? The first step that you have to do, the first step is open up lovable.dev. This thing is a beast. Make an account here. It's free. And this is where I started. This is where you start the prototype. You literally type whatever you want to do here. I can just log in quickly. I personally did Google, but it's up to you. Yeah, log in. And then it's as simple as saying whatever you want to do. I literally typed, create me a web app. Create a logbook where you can add cities, countries. I basically specified exactly what I wanted. Nothing too long either. It's up to you, of course, but I did, let's say, a couple sentences and let this thing work. How does it work? This is basically just, it's probably working on Sonnet 4.5 for those of you that know. So a really good model. And the good thing about this is it's already got an integrated database. So it's going to work with Supabase, which is a great tool for databases. And it's going to already have the ability to make apps with persistent storage, which is exactly what you want at a production level. So yeah, that's the first tool, lovable.dev. Get your first prototype here. That's the step number one. It's going to build everything, give you the source file. And then what I personally did, I'm going to be honest, I ran out of credits here and I'm not paying for this software. So what I did is I literally just copy pasted every entire piece of code that Lovable generated. It was already a working app pretty much. It just was missing a few things that I wanted to add, right? So at first we had this set up, but there was no travel map. I wanted to add that feature. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, there was a few other things I wanted to still add, like the ability to share to people is nice. So that's where tool number 2 comes in, and that is Cursor. Cursor is an editor I think everyone should be using. You do have to pay for it. It's not free, but it just does it all really well. It's probably the most up-to-date tool. How does it work? It's literally just an AI editor. An editor where you come here to the side and you type whatever the hell you want to do, and it does it for you. I was just using it before. I didn't even need to open it. And the amazing thing about this tool is that every time a new model comes out, as you can see here, it's going to show up. You're going to be able to use it probably. And yeah, or you can even put it in auto mode, which is what I sometimes do. And this literally chooses the model for you. You don't even need to worry about it. But yeah, that's basically it. ChatGPT 5 works well for me. Sonnet 4.5 works well too. It really is up to you. But this is then once you want to make improvements. So let's say we pulled out the code from Lovable over here. We're happy with it, but we still want to add a few more things, and the credits ran out in Lovable. You come over here, because I'm paying for this, and I just ask it whatever I want to do. Has an issue, fix the error, whatever. I don't think I had to write a single line of code, I'm going to be honest. So once that's done, and you're happy with the app, then that's it. The final step is to deploy the app. So I'm going to show the tool that I use for that as well. Go ahead and Google and type, let's get it, Google, and type netlify.app. That's what we're going to be using. Really simple to use. Log in with GitHub. That's an important part, logging with a GitHub. And I'm assuming you're version controlling your project. So just make sure that Cursor project is a GitHub repository. And once that's set up, all that you need to do is click here, add new project, import an existing project, deploy project with GitHub. And from there, just pick the GitHub repository. The great thing about this is every time that you make a push to the remote repository in GitHub, it's going to automatically update the deployment, which will show in the actual production version. So that's great, really simple to use. And that was it. 5 hours and it's done. A bit of debugging, so it could even take less. That just really shows the potential of nowadays, if you have an idea, to just build it in the startup sense. I'm almost a believer that this whole figuring out if your product fits, interviewing people, seeing if it's viable, it's not even worth it anymore. Like nowadays, 5 hours, you built an app, just put it out there, and if it works, it works. If not, move on to the next idea. It's that nice and that smooth with AI. So that was it. Also, let me know if you want me to keep working on the logbook, because I might be thinking of putting this into the App Store, making this into an app. I think it was pretty cool for 5 hours, so yeah, I might just develop it further and see where it goes. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.